Hey, welcome to this video. It's Hannes Knechtges. I'm happy that you're here because we're about to learn one of the modern classics, Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. I mean, there are a lot of approaches how to play that song actually, and I think a lot of people actually get it wrong because it's played on an electric guitar with a whammy pedal. So this is a pedal which detunes your guitar if you want to, one octave below, and that's how he does it to create this bass sound. But he's still playing it on a guitar. That's pretty weird for most beginners because they have no clue of guitar effects, pedals and stuff. But in this video today we're gonna do it on an acoustic guitar, and you'll get just this very cool, unique riff everybody knows out there in a really short amount of time. If you like this video, if you like the stuff I do here on YouTube, check out my free lessons that you find in the video description. A lot of cool stuff going on there too, a lot of cool stuff so you can manage all those stuff that I learn and teach here on the YouTube channel better. So let's start out in the 7th fret of the A string. Which string is the A string? It's the 5th string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with your index finger. Let's first do all the notes with the index finger. If you're new to this, this is the easiest way to get all the notes done. So we are here on this string and the 7th fret. The thumb is like on the back of the guitar. Please use your fingertip because it's way easier to create the notes with your fingertip than just like something like this. Really with the fingertip and having the finger straight up and not like lying like this on the fretboard for now. Then you hit the string with your pick between the thumb and the index finger. You do that twice. Okay. And then you jump in the 10th fret. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to the 7th fret. So 7, 7, 10, 7. Don't mind this kind of noise when you move along the string. And back to the 7th fret again. Okay, and then it goes to the 5th fret, 3rd fret, and 2nd fret. All on one string, okay? 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. This is like the A part of the riff. There's a B part, but we will get to that later. So let's do it again. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. And again, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. And again, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. That's the A part. The B part is slightly different in the end, so it also starts on the 7th fret. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, and back to 5, and then 3 and 2. Okay, B part again. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. Again, 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. And A and B together. And the B part. Okay, you got the A and the B part of the riff. It repeats itself over and over again. And then we have like a kind of short, very short bridge to the next riff. And what I just showed you, the A and B part of the riff is like only going on in the hook part, where it's like everybody's going bananas there, and it's really a lot of high tension and dynamic going on there. And then we have like that bridge back to the verse, which is really soft in volume and really just repeating the A part. But let me show you the bridge. I play it for you like this. And that's it. We play like the 3rd fret of the E string 8 times and 8 times on the 5th fret of the E string. That's the lowest sounding string here, closest to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then again. But there we only play in the verse the A part of the riff. And then we go to the bridge again, to the chorus, where we have A and B. And then you have, after a while, again your little bridge, back to the verse. We only play soft. And only the A part. So, that's like a basic version of Seven Nation Army. If you like this video, check my free lessons in the video description below this video. And thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video. I'm Hannes Knechtges. Bye!